Welcome to the virtual tour of your next home. It's in Conroe, built in 2009. The curb appeal of this home is beautiful. There's a 2-car garage that's gorgeous, lots of parking, landscaping, brick and stone, and a great front porch. How about we take a peek on the inside? This is a rare find, and it offers 2,982 square feet of space. This beautiful formal awaits you with crown molding and lots of windows. There's even enough room to have an office and a formal living room all at once behind French doors. There's a very open floor plan with a stunning kitchen in the heart of the home, which offers double ovens, a gas cooktop, so many cabinets, and lots of countertop space. It opens directly to the family room, which is perfect for keeping in touch with everyone in the family. You can hear pretty much every conversation in the home in this room. With a beautiful backsplash and all the space you could ever need, with additional dining on the island. Look at that beautiful gas log fireplace in the family room. So much natural light, high ceilings, and there's a nice view out onto the covered patio and the yard. Such a romantic space. The master retreat is located at the back of the home. It offers 2 walk-in closets and a separate sitting area. It's nice and private and very quiet, so it'll make for a peaceful night's sleep. There's an ensuite bathroom that has separate sinks, a seamless shower, and a jetted tub. What a beautiful master bathroom. That either makes or breaks the deal. And this one is a deal maker. As we go down the hall and find the additional bedrooms, you're going to find that they are amazing. Perfect for your kids, perfect for any guests that come to visit. So easy to decorate. Just wait until you get your hands on these rooms, with big closets as well. And the bathrooms are so nice. They accommodate every room so beautifully. There's 3 full and 1 half bathrooms in this home, so there's more than enough for everyone. And the utility room is not far from the kitchen, and it's large. Here's the powder room, complete with an art niche and a pedestal sink. Up the staircase, you're going to find a beautiful game room that easily accommodates a pool table. It's flexible, could be used as a 4th bedroom with a full bathroom. Now, this home is located in the highly acclaimed Woodlands School District with numerous neighborhood amenities. For those that want a quick commute, it's not far from I-45. This home stayed high and dry with no flooding. It's got a lot of square footage, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and almost 3,000 square feet on the inside. A covered patio and a beautiful backyard with mature trees, located in Conroe, Texas. Make this your next home.